Hi guys, so welcome to my vlog today. I'm on my way for a girls' night out and honestly I cannot wait to show you what we're up to. First of all, I'm going to show you my outfit. I have done a get ready with me with this video, so please check it out. But in the meantime, have a look. Let me just show you. So this is the outfit I've decided to go for. I'm not really a blazer girl, so this is very unusual for me. So I've gone for a oversized blazer. This one in particular is from PLT. If I'm being honest, I don't know how I feel about it. The material's a little bit thin. It's not as structured as I would want it, but we're going to go with it anyway. I've got this black Zara mini dress underneath, and I've got my M&F's tights, of course, we love a bit of Marks and Spencer's, and I've got my square heeled boots from ASOS as well. I have done a get ready with me video as I've said, so if you guys want the details they'll be tagged. And I've gone with this little studded bag just because I think it adds to the belt. Oh, this belt is also from PLT. I got it like 2 years ago and I've never worn it, never really knew what to wear it with. I just really liked it, but silver's back in, so we're gonna rock it. So this is my outfit. I'm gonna go and jump on the train, and yeah, I'm gonna meet Steph, and I'm so excited to show you guys what we're up to. But in the meantime, bear with me. I'm gonna take you on my travels. I'm gonna show you the train. Let's go. Okay guys, so we've had a few wines.
Now it's time for Dirty Dancing vlog. Let me see if I can understand the story.
So Steph, can I just say, Steph has never seen Dirty Dancing. I am ashamed of her, don't worry.
Literally never. I've never watched this movie, so I have no idea what's about to go on.
That's not normal, is it, guys?
So I probably shouldn't have watched.
So we're just trying to navigate where we're going.
Does anyone else get anxiety with Google Maps? Because literally the arrow changes every 5 seconds. No. Why can't you go in the right direction? Can we just literally, like, where am I going?
Okay guys, I'm not gonna lie, we're very, very drunk, but we're at Dirty Dancing, we're here. Can't wait to show you what the show is like.
I have no idea what the storyline is, and
had
with
about
4 vodkas
5.
in, I'm going to have no idea what it is in 45 minutes either.
Can we just say, Steph has never seen Dirty Dancing. Nobody puts Amy into the corner, that's all we're saying.
Yeah,
We'll be back. We'll be back in the interim. Turn this off.
The next day.
Getting home, I remember nearly throwing up in the cab. I actually have my full makeup on, had my eyelashes on as well, but I've just taken them off. Basically I feel like shit. Literally I remember nearly being sick and he was like, are you going to be sick? I was like, no. I was like, just get me home. My phone was like at the end of my bed, like all my clothes are like literally thrown on the floor. Oh my god, I'm dying. Morning guys, how is everyone? Happy February. We're here, it's a new month, so a new month means new opportunities, new possibilities is what I like to say. So originally this video, it started off, I had high intentions for it to be a day vlog, but as you guys have already seen, yeah, me and Steph got smashed, so the day vlog, I thought, do you know what, I'm going to extend it and make it a week vlog. So this morning is the best day to continue this because I've done so much already. So this morning, actually, before I show you my package, this morning I woke up and my best friend, she lives in Switzerland, and I have loads of free time at the moment, and I thought, do you know what, I'm just gonna book and go see her. So that video, I'm gonna do a whole vlog on my trip to Switzerland and show you guys what we're up to, because Switzerland's a beautiful, beautiful country, and where she lives is absolutely stunning as well. So I just want to show you like the city, where we're going. I'll do a separate video so you can see where I'm going, etc. And some of the historical buildings and sites that we're going to visit, and some of the bougie places as well, because I'm a boozy. I am boozy, but I'm a bougie bitch. Okay, so the other thing I want to show you today is this parcel. It's come through from DPD. Love my DPD man. But it's a whole box full of skincare from Ava Estelle. They've given me a whole facial set. I have got a few blemishes at the moment, so this will hopefully get rid of them. So I'm really excited to show you guys what they've given me. That again will also be a separate video, and I'll also show you guys the step-by-step of the set as well for you, because I'm so kind. Okay, so today, as I said, it's a really fun day to show you guys what I'm up to, because I'm meeting my friend Selena, and me and Selena said it's the first day of the month. We want to raise our vibrations and start the month on a positive vibe. So we are doing things that are going to bring us serotonin, give us the endorphins, and just make us feel good. So yeah, I'm going to show you what I'm up to. I need to do my hair and makeup because what is going on. And yeah, I'll be with you guys soon. And also, how cute is this slip dress? I can't really stand up, but how cute is this dress? It's from Savage Fenty, and also Savage Fenty are giving me a big package in in a couple of weeks for the Valentine's edit that they have. They're sending me 4 pieces, so I'm going to do an unboxing of what they're sending me, because I can't wait to show you guys what they're giving me and my idea of how I'm going to create content for one of the particular pieces, because I have an amazing idea. I'm really excited this morning, as you can probably tell. I had my porridge really early and I've had 2 coffees, so we're ready to go. I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Guys, I'm ready now. I'm going to do my hair because I love my natural hair out, but like it needs a wash. So the builder's the ratter. So I'm going to put this pony on. It looks crazy right now, but it's going to look banging in a sec. If you guys want a tutorial on how to put one of these ponies on, sorry, these are flying everywhere. If you want a tutorial on how to put these ponies on, let me know in the comments, because I love a good pony. It's my signature look. It just gives me the Croydon facelift that we all love. So yeah, I'm going to put my pony on, do my hair, and then get dressed. And I will show you what we're up to soon. See you in a sec. Okay guys, so I'm with Selena. We're just getting ready. We are at the trampoline park in Brent Cross, and we thought, you know what, we're gonna just like get some serotonin, we're gonna get some good vibes for the month ahead, and we are gonna go and jump on the trampoline. So bear with us and watch this space.
Alright, go on.
You don't want to go out, but you still want to like have a great time out. I mean, look, there's like barely anyone here. There it is full of kids, but that's fine. But it's just so much fun. Like you can actually just get those endorphins, be silly, and just like enjoy yourself. So in a sec, we're gonna go through the maze. Who remembers these when we were like kids, like at Wacky Warehouse? I feel like this is like so nostalgic. So we're gonna go in and see if we can do the whole maze in about half an hour, because we're actually running out of time right now. So let's go and get lost in there. There's nothing more fun than going furniture shopping.
Oh, this is so nice.
And then just chilling in the store.
I was acting like...
The next day.
Everyone, so I am currently packing because I have a really exciting trip today. I am going to Switzerland, yes. So I'm just getting my stuff together. BA from the city doesn't allow you to take a small suitcase, FYI. So I'm struggling with a teeny tiny suitcase and all my shoes because Switzerland's cold. I only have 23 kg and I'm going to take everything with me because I've got loads of collaborations to do. I did a massive haul in Primark yesterday as well, so I will be showing you some bits, including this really cute racer boy jacket as well. But for now, oh, bit of hanger on the floor. But for now, I'm gonna finish packing because I also need to get my nails done. So I'll see you guys in a bit. BA, you're not doing it. I'm sorry, you're not doing it. I mean, I love the Avios points. Thank you so much. You always save me money, but this luggage situation is not it. So I'm in the middle of packing, just show you the clip. And I also want to do a get ready with me of my plain outfit today. So I'm starting with the Skims dupe from Primark. It's just a bit of shapewear bodysuit. I just love wearing this because it's super comfy and I don't have to wear a bra, so that's why I'm wearing it. Let me just grab my outfit of the day and you guys can see it. Okay, so the outfit I'm wearing is this Catch Me two-piece. This is not an ad, even though it should be, because I wear this all the time, and I think I've like literally posted like 2 photos already on my Instagram with it. But it's super comfy and it's probably the best plain outfit ever. So it's a trousers and top cord, and whenever I travel I want to always look chic, but I want to be comfy, so I feel like this is the perfect outfit. I am going to team it up with Uggs for the travelling, but then when I get to the other side, I will be teaming it up with a pair of heels because we're going straight out, and I think it just gives this like really cute wintry vibe. The heels that I'm going to team up with will probably be some like nude quartz, because I just love the kind of like, it gives this like Stepford housewife type winter ice queen outfit. Oh, don't want to get makeup on it. So yeah, let me just show you what it looks like. It's like this balloon effect top, and we have the belt to go around it, which for me makes the outfit. I mean, I'm all about accentuating the waist, especially when you have big boobs, smaller waist and a bum. You just want to magnify the hourglass even more. So just look at this outfit. It's so chic, it's so simple. I'm going to bring you down a little bit. Yeah, but it's given, I'm just on my way to the airport, I look cute, and then I'm going out after. So yeah, I am going to go get my nails done. Come join me and decide what I'm going to get. Thanks guys, bye, see you in a sec. Hi guys, so I'm just currently walking to the station and I just thought of something and I just want to know your thoughts. But you know, it just came to me that women are just as loyal to their eyebrow lady than men are to their barbers. I don't want to argue. It is what it is. So the sun's in my eyes. I don't want to argue. It's true, isn't it? Like, I would never, ever, ever, ever cheat on my eyebrow lady. So I am finally through checkout, and honestly I think that was probably the easiest security to ever go through at London City. It was like heaven. I absolutely loved it. So now I'm enjoying my Prosecco. I will be in Switzerland in approximately 2 hours time, and I can't wait to show you guys what we're up to. But that will be a separate video, so please look out for the vlog next week, and I hope you enjoyed this week's. It's been very chaotic, there's been a lot of going on, but yeah, cheers, take care.